Designers demand the ability to create manufacturable products using an ever-increasing variety of file formats. SOLIDWORKS 2022 makes this easier than ever with new enhancements to Mesh BREP formats and tools that help you view and edit critical product information. This ball valve, equipped with a lockout-tagout feature, is perfect for this control panel, but the handle is too plain to be incorporated in a luxury product like the Nemo. The supplier provided their files in Mesh BREP format. In SOLIDWORKS 2022, working with these files is just like working with any native geometry, thanks to the new hybrid modeling capabilities. Creating features like chamfers, extrudes, reference planes, and more no longer require intermediate bodies and Boolean operation. The handle needs a slot for a lock. Now, in SOLIDWORKS 2022, whole wizard slot lengths can be defined by tangent arcs or centers. When positioning the slot, the tab key toggles between vertical and horizontal orientations. Manufacturing this handle will require a draft. Bidirectional parting line draft would be the most appealing. In SOLIDWORKS 2022, you can now create draft in both directions using a parting line rather than having to create two separate draft features. This mesh file contains 3 bodies. The manufacturer needs access to the individual components. Now, in SOLIDWORKS 2022, Pack and Go recognizes the references created when using the Save Bodies and Split Part commands. This way, you can choose which files you need without having to find them manually in Windows Explorer. Section views are a great way to inspect components, but sometimes a suitable plane does not exist. Now, you can specify a section view from any cylindrical face, conical face, or axis. These 22mm cut threads are useful for rapid prototyping, but it's too much detail for the higher volume manufacturing, and they make the file large and complex. The new Stud Wizard is a great choice here as it automatically recognizes the diameter of the boss but still provides a list of different sized threads and pitches to use. You can even create an undercut with full control over the dimensions. The Stud Wizard adds cosmetic threads that can be called out in a 3D annotation or 2D drawing. Configuration-specific properties have been separated into 2 tabs, Configuration Properties and Properties Summary. In the first tab, property information is added just like you would expect. Now, you can choose which configuration they're applied to using the drop-down. The Property Summary tab provides a useful way to compare configurations based on a custom property. Designers sometimes have no choice of the files they receive from a supplier, but still need to support the design through several different manufacturing methods. SOLIDWORKS 2022 provides the tools you need to get the job done fast and efficiently while providing improved visibility to critical product information.